Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. In this video we can find the value of this expression, which is 9 minus 9 times 9 minus 9. So how can we find the value of this expression? If you have new in my channel, then kindly subscribe my channel for more interesting video. So 9 times 9, which is equal to 81. So I can write here 81, okay, minus 9 minus 9. Why I can write 9 times 9? Because in PEMDAS multiplication have before then subtraction. So therefore I can solve here multiplication before. So 9 minus 81 is minus 72. Okay student, minus 9. Minus 72 minus 9, which is again equal to minus 81. Student, this is our final answer of this expression. If anywhere you can face an issue, then kindly comment. I will reply your question. Thanks a lot.